Okay, welcome back everyone to Brook in the Air. I just checked into the Doubletree Suites by Hilton in Phoenix, Arizona. So here is the room tour, of course. And I did take some shots of the outside of the hotel, and it is rather pretty actually. The pool is amazing looking. I'm going to see how to train that tomorrow evening. But here's the first piece of furniture, the table lamp, of course. Obviously, no USB plugs. That's a little disappointing. This is the dinner suite, of course. Main door. You can almost see the pool from here. Main TV stand, little mini desk, room key obviously, refrigerator, kitchenette, second TV, king size bed. Now these end tables do have power outlets and USB ports. So that's kind of nice too. I like that. Now you notice almost all Hilton properties have the exact same pillows or pillowcases rather and bedding. The bags from mine, obviously. Little closet. Nice. Okay, let's go check out the bathroom. Here we go, kind of like that. See, that irritates me. More and more hotels are going to these wall-mounted kits. But overall, I can't complain much, really. It's pretty nice, actually. Pleasantly surprised. Not overly pleasantly surprised, but pleasantly surprised nonetheless. Oh, the side table has power outlets and USB ports as well. So it turns out that table is the only one without any plugs. Oh, and then there's the wall outlet too. So yeah, that is the room. Pretty nice actually. Let's take a look outside. Here's the main elevators to access the hotel proper. What you're hearing down there are the fountains. They have 3 symmetrical fountains down there, perfectly symmetrical. And the lights off here is actually not downtown Phoenix. The lights there are actually the airport itself. You can see the air traffic control tower over there, and the main parking structure here, and the lights from the terminal buildings all over here, the runways. There's a pool. There's the hot tub. really jittery about that. We're trying out that tomorrow. And if you look close down there, it's a fitness center in that room. So it's very, very intriguing overall. We're going to come back out to the lobby here in a minute after I still have something to eat. Because I am finished and ready for dinner and in bed. But I will see you guys later. Remember to take care of yourselves and each other. And I will see you in the air. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.